Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So let's see what we'll be expecting next on GBPUSD for the next day. So I told you all that we will be expecting the bullish move. We did this prediction on the 16th. We predicted that we will be expecting the bullish move, which market eventually gave us that movement, especially when you go to your 1 hour time frame. Market was around this level, and I told you guys that we would actually see that bullish move. Market eventually gave us that bullish move. So if you're interested in trading GBPUSD, especially if you trade GBPUSD and you need a signal, high accurate signal, I'll be posting it in the Patreon channel, and I will put a link to the Patreon channel in the comment section. So just go subscribe to the Patreon channel. Once you subscribe, then you will be getting back-to-back signal update and prediction on GBP USD. So now let's take a look at what to be expecting again. If you have to go to your forward time frame, a pullback is due. When you take a look at something like this, let's start it from here. This is our higher high. Here comes the higher low. You take a look at this to be the higher high, and here comes the higher low. When you see something like this, this is the higher high. So our next movement is an higher low. So we should be expecting a pullback on GBPUSD. Would it continue the movement to the upside? Absolutely yes, we would continue. But first of all, let's expect the pullback to play out. Once the pullback plays out, I'm going to give you guys an update next on what you should be expecting on GBPUSD.